how to enable or set up two-factor authentication on Discord. Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can set up two-factor authentication on your phone on your Discord account. So let's get into it. So open up Discord, go to your profile, click on the setting, go into accounts, scroll down, click on enable authenticator app, add in the password, click on OK, and then click on next. It's telling you to download the authenticator app. Click on next and enter the 2FA code. So this is the code that you got to copy. You just simply copy it, click on next, and now you got to enter in the authentication. So I already have the authenticator app right here. So all you got to do is just simply install it, right? And in the authenticator app, click on this plus icon and then just simply click on set a setup key. Over here, add in the name of your account. So in this case, it's Discord, and then add in the key and then choose whether it's a time-based or a counter-based. So it depends on you. We'll choose it's a time-based. Click on add, and now you have a Discord authentication app ready. So now you just simply got to copy this code, or let it run out. So now you just simply got to add in this code onto your Discord, and then just simply click on done. And now you are good to go. Your two-factor authentication is now set up, and as you can see, you have the view backup codes, remove the authenticator app, and SMS backup authenticator as well. And that is how you do it, and that is how you set up two-factor authentication on Discord. So thank you for watching, and until next time, take care and goodbye.